What's good, World Squad? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I want to discuss the 5 reasons people give up or quit selling on Amazon. If you hadn't already, make sure you click that subscribe button. Show you boys some love. I'm going to be dropping 5 valuable videos each week, and you don't want to miss it. Let's slide right into it. Yes, sir.
Hit it!
If this is your first time watching this channel, my name is Travis Cooper. I'm the creator of Amazon Made Easy, the program that gives you the blueprint to building a multi-6-figure Amazon business. And here on this channel, we talk all things Amazon and entrepreneurship. In today's video, I want to get into the top 5 reasons people on Amazon quit or give up. The first reason would be not understanding the rules on Amazon. Whenever we come to sell on a specific platform, it is crucial that we sit down and understand the rules and the policies of that platform, because essentially what we're doing is forming a partnership. So we know Amazon is a customer-centric platform. They put the customer first no matter what. I'm pretty sure you at home have probably purchased a thing or two from Amazon within the last 6 months. So we know that Amazon is all about the customer, and Jeff Bezos and his company have prided themselves on this. So first and foremost, whenever you're starting a business on Amazon, you must know how to serve the customer best. And to be completely transparent with you guys, this was a shift in my mindset once I was able to mature as an entrepreneur. Because in the beginning, I would be thinking, what's the fastest way for me to make money? I don't really care about any of these policies. I don't care about the rules. All I want to know is how can I make money as fast as possible? But I've grown and learned over the years that money is actually just a byproduct of value. So how can I add value to Amazon? How can I add value to my customers? And then the money always follows. So instead of rushing to get the money or rushing to get the bag, we want to learn first, and then we can remove the L and start to earn. So it's vital that you know how to handle the whole customer experience from A to Z, from the customer placing the order until after it's been delivered. And I tell people all the time, if you're stuck, Amazon is a bridge or a great opportunity to jump and start making 6, 7, maybe 8 figures. So a mistake you definitely don't want to make is jumping out too early, not understanding how to play the game. Coming in at number 2 is not knowing your numbers. A lot of people see these big sales numbers. Hey, I'm making $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a month. That's cool. That's sexy for social media. But what matters most is your bottom line, because it doesn't really matter if you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month and you're still in the red, right? If you're making 100 and you spending 125, that means you're losing $25,000 a month. So it's super important that you keep an eye on your numbers, from the shipping costs to the referral fees to the Amazon pick and pack fees. We need to be pulling those reports, analyzing our numbers so that we can know how much money are we actually making, rather than just seeing those big sale numbers and we're still in the negative or red at the end of the transaction, or even worse, at the end of the month. Coming in at number 3 is not understanding their why and giving up before they last through the learning curve. A lot of people want to jump in and make this $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month without really putting in the work, or connecting with a community, or without connecting with a mentor who's doing the things or has the results that you're trying to reach. And this is in any business. A lot of people think whenever you initially start a business, the trajectory of that business is going to go constantly up. But that's not the way that entrepreneurship works. When you have a team or a community or a leader, it smooths out that road, but it's never going to be just straight up, or you just boom, launch and go straight up in the air. It's always going to be ups and downs and twists and turns along the way, just like with life. But the thing that separates successful entrepreneurs from those not so successful is determination, willpower, and consistency. As entrepreneurs, we look at problems as opportunities rather than brick walls. And to be honest, whenever you get to an issue, you should get excited, because most people are going to quit. And the more barriers you cross and issues you solve, that's going to separate you from the 99% of people that's not going to do it. You want to be in that 1% who's willing to do what it takes. And if you don't know, You ask till you get the answer. You connect, you network. But not solving this problem is not an option. It has to get done or it has to get done. The fourth reason would be not taking advantage of both FBM and FBA. Now, FBM stands for Fulfillment by Merchant and FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Now, you should utilize both of these fulfillment methods in your business. A lot of the times a seller may do one, it's not being so successful, and they quit and retire their business just because one isn't working. But in business, sometimes you have to pivot. You have to be like water. You can't be stuck in the shell. Always analyze your numbers and experiment with everything. We have to test and see what's working at this specific time. Your strategy for Q4, which is a popular time for anybody in the e-commerce space, may be completely different from your strategy in Q1. You must always adjust to what's going on in the economy, because whenever you stay stuck in your ways, you get left behind. And last but not least, coming in at number 5 is not finding enough profitable items to sell. This is the lifeline, the blood, the oxygen, whatever you want to call it, of your business. If you can't source profitable products, you are not going to be successful in this Amazon or e-commerce space. So most of your focus, at least initially, should be on this activity. You must secure contracts, network, to keep your profitable products or items coming in. This, in my opinion, is the real secret to taking this business to the next level. Once you're able to automate this specific part of your business, the sky's the limit. From there, all you need is the capital to scale it, to take it to the next level. Of course, you want to always watch your numbers to make sure it makes sense. You guys know, because y'all part of the Will Squad, I had to come and hit you with a bonus. The bonus number 6 is they got banned. Amazon sent them eventually what we call the letter of death. That's just saying that your account has been permanently suspended and you're no longer allowed to sell on the platform. So Travis, why in the world would their account get suspended? For one, they could have been selling counterfeit or fake items. Number 2, their ODR, or their order defective rate, was over 1%. That's Amazon standard. So if you get 5, 10, 20%, more than likely, Amazon is going to give you the boot. Another way you can get banned or suspended is if you're doing merchant fulfill or FBM and you're shipping out your orders late or not uploading the tracking numbers. They want the tracking to be at 95% or greater, and your late shipment rate needs to be 4% or less for the last 30 days. So definitely keep an eye on your account metrics if you're doing merchant fulfill. Last but not least, they may have canceled too many orders. Like I said in the beginning, Amazon takes their customer experience super serious. So we always want to make sure whenever we list the item for sale, we're able to get it to the customer to create that great buying experience. So you guys, there's my top 5 reasons on why Amazon sellers quit or give up on the platform. Trav Coop signing out. Love. See you on the next one.